Hi there! Today I'd like to share with you some tips and tricks to activate newly added products in your Spreadshop. Maybe you've discovered there are new products available all the time for shop owners to sell in their Spreadshop. And maybe you found out through a blog post just like this that there are some awesome new products coming your way. Here we can see that the latest product to be added to the available product range is the drawstring bag. I love this product, and I want to offer it in my shop. And in order to do so, I need to activate this product for every design I want to offer. This may sound like a daunting task, especially if you have, like most successful shop owners, lots of designs. But I'd love to share with you a little life hack on how to simplify setting up new products like this. And that's with templates. So let's head on over to your partner area and find out how this can be done. Navigate to the Designs area of your partner area and find a design for which you want to offer the drawstring bag. And click on the pencil edit icon. Click Edit again to manage the products offered for this design. Now this page should look familiar from when you originally created these products for this design. And since we are wanting to add another product to our shop, let's click on Add Products. Head to Accessories, then Bags, find that drawstring bag and activate it, and click Done. Now once you click on Done from this screen, you will save and activate this product so it will now be offered in your shop. But doing this for every design in your partner area or even with multiple products you wish to add could be time consuming. But have no fear, here is where that templates trick comes in, and it can save you a bunch of time and clicks. By clicking on Save As Template, you can save all the details about this product assortment you have built, including design location and size, default colors, deactivated colors, but you can also save which products are activated for this design. And that's the trick. You can load this template on other designs to quickly activate the drawstring bags for all your other designs. And here's another insider tip. If you have other templates you've saved in the past that don't contain this new product, be sure to delete those to avoid confusion. Or at least name this new template something recognizable, like white designs with drawstring bag, so you can stay organized. Now let's save this template. Now before moving on, be sure to click on Done to make sure you save the product changes you've made for this design, and then head back to see the rest of the designs in the design area. Updating the rest of your designs by loading templates will be a breeze. Just simply load the template you just created and voila, drawstring bags are added. One click, so easy. You can repeat this step for all the designs that you want to add a drawstring bag to. We hope this trick helps to give you some tools in your arsenal when it comes to updating your shop's product offerings to include all the cool new products. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks for your Spreadshop, and feel free to comment with questions or ideas for future helpful video tricks. Until next time, happy selling!